Look at the
Pattern.
pattern.
Who is
Let me
that?
open it up.
Where is that?
Open it up. Okay.
That shirt is familiar. And here's another one.
Who wore those?
It's Papa's shirt. So it keeps you warm. That is a clever idea. Even his favorite blue. His very favorites in the still in the closet.
Oh.
Do you see, babe? Nobody took it. I wouldn't let him. Oh, this is. Who made this?
A friend of Ashley's does that.
It's gorgeous.
And we did a throw because we figured a quilt would be too heavy. So that's for your couch.
I've never heard of it. I've heard of ties.
Here, why don't we open it up and then we can...
Lauren, that is beautiful.
So she did
That's
clear.
short sleeve, long sleeve, short sleeve,
She remembers them all.
short sleeve.
She remembers all.
Yeah.
They were a long or short sleeve.
Another summer one. These are some of his favorites. And I thought, boy, they disappeared fast. I wonder who got them.
Well, that's what we did with them.
Oh, you got them all? Because I was,
Well, no,
I was thinking,
others are used, but we
because
got
some
those
were
for them.
40, some were large and
Yeah,
some
no,
were
but we
extra
picked
large.
the best ones to make this for you.
Beautiful.
Pretty?
I remember this shirt. I remember them all.
This
Now the tan one. I don't
The
remember.
background is her own background.
Oh, this was the shirt.
No, that's the background.
Because I'm
You want to say hi to anybody?
Pretty?
Today's Jamie's
it's gorgeous.
Jamie's birthday. I'll hand it to you.
I've seen ties.
You want to see any more?
Wait,
let
no,
me take a
Grandma's
picture.
crying because she's happy.
Hold on. Hold on. I'll get more pictures.
Boy, this is really something. I never even heard of this.
Do you want me to fold it up?
Yeah.
I want to take a picture with Gra Gra and